Okay, so a lot of you remember this video, which isn't really fishing related, but this is a video that me and Holly did for one of Holly's school projects, and it was write a letter to somebody in America explaining what life is like here in Whitwell, where she lives and goes to school. So Holly wrote a letter, and she was just meant to write an example and then take it into school. Instead, I suggested, what about Cleetus? Because she likes Cleetus. When I'm watching Cleetus, she's watching him with me, etc. So we wrote him a letter and we sent it. We sent it over. But we also thought, why not build something and show her class what life is like in America for Cleetus? So Holly, with a little bit of help from me, built the Freedom Factory out of paper mache, paint, lollipop sticks, you name it, all that stuff. And the post lady's just been, and today is the 30th of January, and we weren't expecting a reply. We just wanted to do the video. I spoke to Cleetus myself, and I also spoke to a couple of his representatives as well. Cleetus were amazed that she'd done it. You know, he thought she'd done a great effort, and we weren't really expecting a reply, but I left the address in there just in case, you know, someone in his team had a spare 5 minutes to send Holly a letter back. I don't know, who knows. But today the post lady has just brought this letter with Cleetus's address on it and a US stamped envelope. So I'm not going to open it. Cleetus is a trustworthy guy. I'll let Holly open it first hand when she comes home from school, but a reply from Cleetus nonetheless. So we'll wait for Holly to get in and we'll see what it says. Got something for you.
Aww.
See it? I'll let you work it out. Who's that?
Cleetus!
We've not opened it yet. It's got your name on it, and he's a trustworthy guy, so we've not opened it. We thought we'd let you open it. So just.
I can take it in tomorrow because Miss Webster said if you get a reply, take it.
There you go.
Yay.
That's it. So open it like that.
I was scared. It's going to be like a spider in an envelope because I saw an envelope and like, ain't no way I'm seeing a spider.
So open it up.
Yay!
Handwritten.
No way.
It's addressed to me and Ben. Hey Holly and Ben, sorry for the deluge spam, but this is Madi and Cleetus McFarland. We thought your school project was really cool and wanted to write back a hell yeah sister/brother. Thanks for telling us about your small village with your friends and brother. We hope this helps your project. Have a great day, Cleetus and Madi. P.S. Thank you for watching the videos and supporting us.
Hollie's got something for you. You know what it is.
Yeah, I do.
So, I'm not going to get on video, you're just going to hear my voice. This is from Hollie. Cleetus had no idea. I ordered it in my name, but I'll leave it to Hollie.
You ordered that?
So,
Is that from Cleetus?
Yeah.
he has no idea that it's for you.
You're going to love what's inside.
But this is for thank you for helping Hollie with her
Project.
No way. Hell yeah, brother. Key strap, like a toe strap. What?
We knew that had come, in case Cleetus didn't reply, but...
My favourite hobbies are legal t-shirts. No way!
Thank you, Cleetus.
That's amazing. Well, thanks for that.
Yeah,
I didn't. When did you do that? When?
Do you mind?
Yeah, this is what we were talking about.
Right. Just to add on to that one then, Cleetus. Thanks for the letter, and thanks for a safe delivery of some of your merch that my lovely fiance's ordered me. Happy?
Yeah.
Yeah? So now your letter can go in with your homework, and you're at school a lot, and I get to see how busy Cleetus is, and he's all over racing. It looks like maybe Maddie's picked up his work, and maybe she's wrote it, and it's from Maddie and Cleetus and all them, so even better. Yeah, baby Rip. Got a baby on way.
Baby Rip.
Baby Rip.
So what do you say to Cleetus and Madi for that letter?
Thank you.
Yeah, going to put it into your school project homework.
Yeah.
In America, it's known as a school project. Over here, we call it a homework.
Yeah.
Yeah, Cleetus, Madi, Baby Rip, everyone over there. Just want to say thank you for the letter. It means loads. Weren't even expecting a reply, but even that alone is golden for Hollie's little school project. And the envelope stamp on it.
I'm keeping that forever.
That's going to stay with it, and I want to enjoy the new merch. Right, it's your video, so I'll let you do an outro.
Thank you, Cleetus and Maddie. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Do it for Dale, and we'll frickin' see you later. Hell yeah, brother!